Okay, this is my third video. This is recorded on a High 8 video cassette. I'm going to show you how to make Phoenix Sun spaghetti. Over here I've got a can on the driveway. That is a can of SpaghettiOs. It's just regular SpaghettiOs. I've left this in the sun since 9:45 this morning. And I need to shake this up, actually. Wow! Ay, 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 that is too hot to touch. I use what I call the seatbelt principle, which is, you know, when you're in a hot car on a summer day and you grab the seatbelt, how it's super hot. Well, that's why I stripped the label off of the can and just left the bare can in here. You would think that that the bare can would reflect sunlight and not receive any, really, but it doesn't. It absorbs heat like crazy. Seatbelt buckle, that is. I'm gonna come back at 5 o'clock and I'm gonna see how hot this is. Ah, the crisp fall air outside. It is only 115 degrees outside. Very nice and cool. Okay, it's time to open it. Alright. Oh. And this thing is hot. Okay, first, what I need to do is test it with this thermometer. Looks like it's about 130 degrees. It's only been out here since 9 this morning. So I'm going to bring it in and try it out. Okay, I got my glove on to handle the can. And now I'm going to open it up and try a bit. Well, that looks fine to me. Now it's time to try a bit. That's just like taking it out of the microwave. That actually works. That actually worked. That's unbelievable. That was delicious. And that was just like taking it out of the microwave and eating it. It was so hot that it was just on the verge of burning my tongue. It wasn't hot enough that I needed to blow on the spoon or anything, but it was definitely satisfactory. It was the exact temperature you want your meal to be. And think about this. All I did was set the can out there, and it's the second week of September, and yet I was able to get a hot meal in just an afternoon. That's just insane. I've also had viewers who have asked me, what is the point in all this? Why don't I just build a solar oven or use a solar panel or things like that? The point of this video and this whole video series is that I'm not using any devices whatsoever. I'm just simply setting a can outside or setting a bottle outside and then just letting the sun do its job without any kind of devices whatsoever. And just the heat alone cooks it. Which, I mean, I could use a solar oven, but that would ruin the fun. The whole purpose of this is to show how hot it gets here in Phoenix. And I think that drives the point home. I have made coffee outside, I have made ramen soup outside, and now I have cooked SpaghettiOs outside. But just wait for the 4th video. It's supposed to be hot again tomorrow. And I'm going to try my best to get this done. I can't guarantee that it'll work, but I will definitely try. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day, and have a great Labor Day.